guys, my name's Rabbit from the Dino Trucks, and we're gonna be opening 2 new Disney cars, Galloping Gear Grinder, and let's see who this other guy is. It is Gremsky. Okay. Here's the back. Here he is. Now let's look at Galloping Gear Grinder. Here he is. And then here's Mater with Balloon, Otis, and Red. I remember once Ty called me Rivet, and I did not like that. Let's open it. Here he is. He comes with a lantern. Put it on here. He also comes with a shovel, which you can put right on the back. And then you can also have a pickaxe. No, it's a pickaxe. It's a pickaxe, Rabbit. Now let's open our second guy. Anyways, he's from Cars 2, and when Mater decides, with Lightning decides to go on a train track, then he scares him out. Okay, now let's open him. It's harder for a reptile to open these kind of packages, but we can use our drill bits to open them. This is one of the bad guys. Watch this. And then this can, nope, thought it could. Poor me. And then this, here's the back of him. And he's part of Cars 2 when Finn goes to their oil rigs, and then many of the lemons put on all this stuff, and then make, like, I forget what they're called, but they like try to like fire him or something, but he jumps in the sea. So here are 2 cars today. Okay, so bye and subscribe and stay watching. Bye. And anyways, I'll tell you the days we make videos. We make videos on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. We also make them sometimes on Fridays, just like today, and then sometimes every couple of weeks on Saturdays, and sometimes every couple of weeks on Sundays. So, yeah, bye.